how to do sponsored ads on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can do sponsored ads on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, doing sponsored ads on Instagram is also fairly simple, but first of all you need to make sure that you have a professional account, because this can't be done using a normal account. So once you make sure that you have a professional account, go ahead and then open the Instagram app, then tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then after that, just make sure to tap the three lines option from the top right, then just scroll down here and just make sure you have professional account. Now once you make sure you have a professional account, if you have a certain post, you can simply choose to boost it by just tapping the boost post option over there. And after you do that, you will be able to simply select your target audience, the payment methods, the budgets, and the goal of your boosting. And once you have done that, you should be able to do a sponsored ad on Instagram. This way you can do a sponsored ad on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.